How do I make $10,000 a month starting from scratch? Here's exactly how I do it in 60 seconds. First, I create a new Instagram account. Next, I pick any of these 3 big niches. Don't worry, they all work. Then I'd head over to this website, create a free account, and go to the marketplace. Choose a product that pays around $400 in commissions. Copy your special link and paste it in your bio. Finally, post viral videos about your product or niche. You can recreate viral videos from this website. Once your videos go viral, it will lead them to your page and your job is to lead them to your bio. Let's do some quick math. You only need 25 people to buy from your link to make $10,000 a month. That's less than 1 sale a day. This is digital affiliate marketing, and this is how I 5x'd my old corporate salary. If you want a detailed step-by-step breakdown of it, follow and comment now and I'll send it over. This is how I made $10,000 from zero. Watch closely. First, I picked the niche I want to sell in. You can make money in any of these 3 big niches. Then I went to a network like JVZoo, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Created a free account and picked a product that pays hundreds in commissions per sale. I then copied the special product link and added it to my Instagram bio. Now all I need to do is get eyeballs to my Instagram page. I do this by recreating viral videos from this website. Use tools like HeyGen or InVideo AI so you don't even have to show your face. Your videos go viral and leads them back to your Instagram page and bio. When someone buys from your link, you make a sale. If you make $400 per sale, you only need 25 sales to make $10,000. This is digital affiliate marketing and it's a $17 billion industry. Comment start below and I'll send you my step-by-step on how to get started.
If I just had 30 days to make $10,000, here are the exact steps that I would take. First, create a brand new Instagram account. Most people don't realize how easy it actually is to make money with social media. You don't even have to be an influencer or have thousands of followers. Now all you have to do is pick a niche. Now before you say, I don't know anything about those, you can always pick one of these. They are evergreen. The next step is to go to Digistore24 and create a free account. Once you're signed in, go to Marketplace and view all the offers on the Marketplace. Now go ahead and pick the niche from earlier that you chose, and then make sure to pick a product that has a high commission rate. You want one with at least $1,000 commission. Now what you want to do is get your affiliate link right here, and then go back to that new Instagram page and put that link in your bio. Now what you want to do is start posting 5 to 7 second long videos on your brand new Instagram account. If you have no clue what to post, that's totally fine. You can always go to this website to find content to model after. These brand new videos will drive people to your page, and then your objective is to send them to your link in your bio. You only need 10 sales per month to make about $10,000. This is called affiliate marketing, and I've been doing this since November of 2020. Before this, I was just a broke banker who hated his 9-to-5 job and was looking for any way out. I stumbled across affiliate marketing and my life changed. I was able to buy this house, pay off my car, and I drove across the country multiple times. I have a free video that explains the entire process on how to get started doing this. All you have to do is comment ready down below and I'll send it directly to you. Oh yeah, and don't forget to save this video and share this with somebody who wants to make money. I know you know somebody.
This is the dumbest way to make $1,000 per day. Alright, I'm 29 years old. I make $30,000 per month. I have the big mansion with the infinity pool overlooking the river in the backyard. I have all my dream cars in my garage, from my Mercedes G-Wagon to my Lamborghini Evo Spider, all the way to my Rolls Royce Wraith. How do I do it? Let's head over here so I can show you how dumb this is. So what do? I buy cheap viral videos and post them on YouTube. Yep. Sounds pretty dumb, right? But trust me, the earnings are not so dumb. Literally, it's the 22nd of the month. I've already made $26,000. It's not even the end of the month. That's literally over $1,000 every single day. Okay, so how does it work? It's very simple. Buy the cheap video, post it on YouTube, collect the profit, and keep doing it over and over and over again. If you want to learn how it's done, comment YT and I'll send you the blueprint right now.